Hello, maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Cancer with the water elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. So ang reading pong ito for the rest of the month of February is may kinalaman po sa inyong pamimera, trabaho, career, sa inyong love, romance, at family and friends. So unahin natin the energy or the vibes of love and romance. Yan ha. Tingnan natin, kung kayo is tinatawag na meron bang dating, yan. It's like Valentine's date ngayong February 14. Tingnan natin, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Six of Wands, yan. Meron po. Yan ha, siguro mag-asawa ito, nakikita ko moron mag-asawa or magkatiyap. Ibig sabihin to maaari engaged na sila, ano. So merong Valentine's date. Yan ha. So narito ang the Emperor. Ibig sabihin nito, malinis ang intensyon, 'di ba? Yan. So baka ito'y magtatapat na ng tinatawag na tayo nang magpakasal. Baka ito'y may kinalaman kaya siguro merong Valentine's date ha, yan. Baka susurpresahin ng diamond ring, di ba? Engagement, yan. O kaya yung tinatawag mamamanhikan or i-announce na yung pagpaplano ng pagpapakasal. Narito ang the Three of Wands. Yan ang kanyang intention. May intention, may sasabihin ha. Okay. Are you dating tinatawag na person with babae man ito, lalaki, with fire elements. Yan ha. Kaya mukhang magkaano kayo. Tinatawag na soulmate. Yan ha. Okay. So maaaring dito yung sabihin na nating baka tatagpuin na ninyo ang pari ang magkakasal sa inyo, 'di ba? Maybe a preacher, kung sino man 'yan, 'di ba? So maaaring ito yung tinatawag attend kayo ng seminar sa pagpapakasal. Okay? Yan. So meron ditong tinatawag, okay. It's like ito yung tinatawag na the God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Yan ha. So for some of you, nakikita ko naman is tinatawag na nilalagay nyo ang Panginoon, okay, sa inyong gitna, okay, para mag-work out ang inyong relationship. Both of you are tinatawag religious people. Okay? So yan ha. Ibig sabihin nito magka-soulmate, magkatugma kayo, 'di ba? The same energy. Yan ha. It's like tinatawag it's about their intention, their anong tawag dito? Their passion, their deep love, 'di ba? Magmamaterialize yan. So narito ang tinatawag na the King of Swords. Yan ha. Okay. So titingnan natin ang the King of Swords na ito. Maaring ito yung tinatawag na para lalong it's more on kasi ito ay the Six of Wands. Okay? So paano mapapanatili? Meron ditong mga cancer, di ba? Palabas sa bookworm, di ba? So ano mga binabasa nyo? Okay? It's like tinatawag paano mapapanatili ang iyong minamahal na mag-stay, hindi siya pakalat-kalat, di ba? Yan, oh. So, ito yung tinatawag na nag-google siguro ito, di ba? Maybe, paano mo mapapaibig lalo ang iyong minamahal, di ba? Yan, oh. So, meron ditong, okay, tinatawag na the Ace of Cups, yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, sila na nga forever. Diba? It's like I committed myself to you. Yan, both of them, okay? Committed na sila sa relationship. So maaari ito ihaharap na sa pari o sa pastor, di ba? So meron ditong the Three of Wands, okay? So ibig sabihin ng the Three of Wands na ito, dinedadma, kaya dinedadma siya ng kanyang, let's say sabihin na natin ng taong it's more, maybe this person is flirting, pero dinedadma siya. Okay? Yan. Maaring itong taong ito is tinatawag nagpapakita siya ng sign, di ba? Motivation, pero dinededma. Okay? So, hirap na hirap siyang kuhanin ang atensyon ng tao na ito. Okay? Is this you or this one? Okay? Ang hirap, it's like ang hirap paibigin ng taong ito. So, there is a growth for of once. It's like, sasagutin na kita. Yan. Maaaring tayo sabihin na natin sa Valentine's Day, wala akong kapartner. Can you be my partner? Diba? Yan. So, mukha namang may sasagot na. Okay? Sasagutin ka na ng oo. Tingnan natin your work, money, finances, your career, mga Cancer. So, narito ang tinatawag the Four of Cups. Yan ha? Okay? So, meron po. Okay? It's like mapupuno ang inyong cups. Okay? This February. Yan. For the rest of February. Diba? Yan. So, ito yung tinatawag the Two of Wands. Okay? Kung ano man ito, 'di ba? Dito sa tinatawag the Four of Cups, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag put it into action, 'di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, huwag ka na mahiya. If you think you have a gift, a skill, 'di ba? Nobody cannot do it. Show it. Yan na, kita mo. Huwag mo na itong bagoongin, okay? Sa iyong tokador. Show it. Yan ha. It's about your dreams, your hopes, 'di ba? It's about fantasy. Stop with the fantasy. Stop with the tinatawag na pangangarap. Okay? Put it into action. So, narito ang tinatawag the Five of Swords. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, may kinalaman ba ito sa ibang tao? Diba? It's about your relationship to others. Diba? So, ano ito? It's like, let's say sabihin na natin the same music played, di ba? It's like tinatawag the same story, di ba? Yan. What's your job? Paulit yung tinatawag na it's like yun din ang trabaho. Yun din, di ba? It's like everyday yun din, di ba? Ang ginagawa mo. So let's see. Yan ha. Or maybe you are thinking of another work, job, di ba? Or sabi na nating direction, di ba? Maybe yung tinatawag, you want to be more productive. Maybe you want to attract, okay? Or try your things, di ba? Itatry mo yung galing mo to another, let's say sabi natin group of people, di ba? Yan, maybe. Kasi narito ang tinatawag the Six of Swords, di ba? So, ang nakikita ko dito is you are dealing with the same, it's like the same problems, di ba? Maybe your job is, it has something to do about administrative, di ba? Yan, oh. It's always the same, okay? Yan, sandali lang. Is there a success? Ayan. So, for some of you here, it's like tinatawag dito, you want a change. Okay? You want a change. Yan. Maybe you will ask for a raise, di ba? Okay? Or you want to be relocated, di ba? You want to be relocated. Or sabi na natin nagpaplano kang mag-abroad, di ba? So, let's see, ha? It's more about a change. Okay? It's like there is no improvement. Wala. Di ba? So, ay, sandali lang ha. At nag-reverse itong tinatawag na the Seven of Cups. Di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nitong the Seven of Cups, it's like tinatawag na wala pa rin. Okay? Wala pang resulta, okay, sa iyong pamemera about your job. Okay? It's like, siguro is, you don't know kung kailan magkakaroon ng tinatawag na promotion. Di ba? So, narito ang tinatawag na the strength. Okay? Pag sinabi mong the strength, the Leo. Di ba? So, it's more about your capability. Di ba? Yan. So maybe natetest ang iyong tinatawag na ah, patience, di ba? Yan. Maybe you are dealing with people because narito ang the two of wands, di ba? Yan. So it's all about tinatawag na maybe it's like the same old story, the music played always the same track, di ba? Yan. So for some of you here, yung tinatawag na, okay, it's like malapit ka nang mag-explode, okay? Maaring hindi mo mga ka-vibes itong kasama mo sa trabaho, di ba? Yan. So, it's up to you. Kaya lumabas ang The Wheel of Fortune, di ba? Kaya narito ang The Page of Wands. It's up to you. Take an action, 'di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito, stop dreaming, stop fantasizing, 'di ba? Stop illusion, 'di ba? Put it into action. If you want to break this relationship with your boss, with your employer, with this sino itong mga taong ito, yan 'di ba? It's up to you. Ikaw ang gagawa ng sarili mong destiny. If you want to go abroad, 'di ba? If you want to find new people, new company, ito na, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, kesa ikaw isa magmaktul dyan, magalit dyan. It's like, wala naman nangyayari. Di naman ako napopromote, di ba? So, put it into action. Okay? Kasi pwedeng mawala yan. Okay? It's like, bukas maghahanap na akong trabaho. Sa isang linggo na. No. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, for tinatawag mga cancer, may mga cancer, they are looking for another tinatawag relationship. Okay? Business partner, di ba? Maybe employer, boss, work, at maybe sabihin natin pag-abroad, di ba? Maybe they want to work with the foreigners. Let's see. Okay? So that's it. I see for you. Let's see your family and friends. Okay? Narito ang tinatawag na the Three of Swords. Okay? It's about their mind and soul, their mind and hearts. So, ibig sabihin, narito ang tinatawag na the Nine of Swords, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag relationship. Okay? Ano itong relationship na ito? Okay? So, narito ang mind and soul, mind and heart with your family, siblings, di ba? It's like everyday talking to your children, everyday talking to your siblings, to your friends. Okay? So, titingnan natin, ha? Okay? Ano yan? It's only an energy. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag misunderstanding between you and them. Okay? And someone, ibig sabihin nito, meron ditong gustong makipag-usap, di ba? It's like, tapusin na natin itong ating away na ito. Conflict, di ba? Yan. Kaya, 2, 4, 6, 8, pumasok ang tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles, di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na kung sino man ito, nagkaroon kayo, di ba, ng tinatawag alitan, di ba? Yan, maaring inggitan, di ba? Whatever. Okay? Maaari halimbawa, nakikita ko lang baka sa utang, di ba? Baka magkakapatid, nag-utangan, magulang, anak, kapamilya, kaibigan, di ba? Yan, work it out. Whatever is this between you and them, work it out, di ba? Panatilihin ang kapayapaan sa inyong kabahayan, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na maganda. Bumibigat ang bahay, di ba? Ang bahay nyo bumibigat pagka kayo may mga kaaway sa labas, di ba? Yan. So, tapusin na. Whatever is this, the Three of Swords, di ba? Between you and them, di ba? Dahil kasi bumibigat ang kabuhayan. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Ten of Wands. Yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag, daladala niya ang mundo, siya lang ang nagdadala ng hirap, di ba? It's like, sila, masaya lang ang buhay, di ba? Sila yung tinatawag, maybe, they are taking advantage of you. Yung tinatawag taking for granted, they are taking you for granted. Diba? So meron kasi ditong napapagod na. It's like, hindi pwedeng ako lang ang kayod ng kayod. Diba? Maybe your siblings, diba? Maybe your family, kung sino itong mga palaasa sa inyo. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nakakadismaya. Okay? So, kaya narito ang tinatawag the Nine of Swords, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin ng the Nine of Swords? Yan. Yung kanyang tinatawag mga dalahin. Mentally, physically, emotionally. Napakabigat ng kanyang dalahin. Okay? Malaki ang responsibility niya sa kanyang kapamilya. So, ibig sabihin ng the Eight of Cups, ito. Are you planning to go away? Are you planning of living? Kung ano man ito. There's something to do about them, 'di ba? Para maalis ito tinatawag the Three of Swords, 'di ba? Yan, it's like time mo na, okay? Para yatang gusto kong pumunta somewhere else, 'di ba? Yan. So let's see. It's like dito, it's like nobody can stop me, 'di ba? Natauhan na ako, 'di ba? Yan. Gusto kong magkaroon ng tinatawag na love for myself, di ba? Ma-enjoy ko naman ang aking buhay, ang aking bahay, ang peacefulness, di ba? So these people, nakikita mo naman, di ba? Kaya lumabas the devil. The devil, what are you doing here? The devil. Okay? So meaning, tinatawag na it's too much, okay? Tinatawag it's too much. Hindi ko na kaya. Kaya narito ang the devil. You are releasing it. Maybe their attitude, their action, di ba? Their manners, what they are doing, di ba? It's like, party din party doon, disco din sabong doon, di ba? So there is a decision to make. Okay? Mm-mm. So it's about you contemplating. Ibig sabihin, nag-iisip, nagpaplano. Okay? Yan. Maaring for some of you, it affects your, kaya narito ang the devil, it affects your emotion, especially mentally. Baka sumasakit ng ulo nyo, palagi kayo may headache, masakit na ang inyong baga, masakit na ang dibdib, di ba? So it's like tinatawag cross path, you're on a cross path, okay? You have to decide. Yan ha? So whatever is this, ibig sabihin for some of you, ito ang gusto ninyo, okay? Maybe a peace place, a peace environment, di ba? A house you can say, this is my house, okay? Yan. I claim this house, I claim na peaceful, I claim tinatawag respect from others, di ba? So ibig sabihin, kita ninyo, double confirmation, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, what's mine is mine. Okay? Huwag ninyong i-corrupt ang bahay ko. Huwag ninyong i-corrupt ang kaisipan ko. Diba? Kumbaga dito, out the way. Diba? Yan. Huwag kayong humadlang sa aking daraanan. Yan ha? Okay? So, that's what I see. Kasi it's like tinatawag, confirmed. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag pag-alis. Yan. May aalis. Diba? It's like, I'm fed up. Okay? I will find a place. I will find new people. It's like tinatawag, people that will not break my heart. Diba? Yan. Because, ibig sabihin nito, meron pa naman silang natitirang pagmamahal sa sarili nila. Diba? Yan. So, it's about focusing. Gusto nila mag-focus sa sarili nila. Na? It's like tinatawag, enough for you. Diba? Enough na sa inyo. You work, ibig sabihin nito, magtrabaho naman kayo, di ba? Feed yourself, okay? Ako naman muna, okay? Yan. Hayaan nyo munang mahalin ko ang sarili ko, di ba?